how to check if your phone is using the official software on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here tap on the Samsung folder. Then tap on members. Now in members, I'm going to go back to Samsung members homepage. Then we go down and tap on diagnostics. After that, tap on phone diagnostics. In here, we go down and then tap on official software. In here, tap on the test button or the test again button. If your phone is having the official software, it should show normal. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.